Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to add and import a site hazard assessment into Sage Construction Management. I'm starting on the home page. I'm going to go over here to Projects. Before we start, you're going to want to go to the Settings button, go to Feature Settings, scroll down to QC and Safety, scroll all the way down, and make sure that your site hazard assessment items are in there. You can edit and add as well. So we're going to go back to projects. I'm going to select from this list, scroll down to QC and Safety and click Site Hazard Assessments. Here we're going to click Actions, then Add Manually. It's for the project number will be put in for you. You can put in the prime contract if you want to. The assessment number and the date will be put in for you. You can put the inspectors. Add in next. You're also able to add extra inspectors. You can put your location, the priority, responsible company, responsible contact, and the completion date. Here you can add your applicable hazard items. These are what you added in settings as well. You can press this button here if it's a very hazardous day and select all of them if you need to. Or you can skip this part and just do add next. You're able to drag files here and link existing, or you can skip and finish. And then you have added a site hazard assessment. Here you are able to import more applicable site hazards and add more site inspectors if you need to. To get back to this, you will go to the project home. You can go to the QC and Safety overview and click on Site Hazard Assessments under Safety Stats.